Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you've encountered the error could not create the Java virtual machine, then watch this video for the fix. It's a very simple fix folks. We have to just edit or create an environment variable. For that we will look for environment variables in the search bar and we'll come across edit the system environment variables. Click on it and then click on environment variables in the lower bottom corner, and here below the user variables you click on new and then enter the variable name underscore java underscore option, and then in the variable value you enter the value hyphen capital X small m small x 1024 and a capital M. So again, I will repeat it: variable name underscore Java, all in capital, underscore option, all in capital, and then the variable value, that is hyphen capital X, small m, small x, 1024, capital M, and click OK. And then OK and restart the computer. You should no longer encounter this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.